Yo, what's up? Well, anyway, yeah, we are in the
Puri
Purisantrian in
Hotel.
Sanur today.
Yeah, I know that most of you who used to stay in Sanur, like maybe some of you already used to stay in Purisantrian. So this is how it is Purisantrian now.
Very
We
beautiful
are
hotel. We
coming
will
here
have a
just not for staying, but we just want to have a, like
chill out, relax on the.
swim, dine, and they have a very nice promotion, like 150k. You can swim, dine, and everything.
Yeah, so let's check this
So-
out how it's look. By the
And-
way,
Yeah, and also include with canoeing on the beach later on. So yeah, this is how the beautiful Purisantrian Hotel Sanur.
I will show you around these beautiful gardens here.
Yeah. So this hotel is one of the oldest hotel in Sanur, but still really good maintenance.
Over here is the rooms,
The
villa.
rooms,
This is very Balinese style.
Balinese style, and look at this statue. Very nice. Wow. All right, so we will have a swim, dine, enjoy the pool. Yeah, it's very beautiful sunny day today. Let's go. Very nice hotel. This way or that way? Okay.
So this is the beach situation in the Sanur, just next to the Purisantrian hotel, which is this one. Beautiful, isn't it? Very quiet today actually, especially here, but very nice, very clean, of course. The hotel provide the cleaning for sure. We got the day pass here. Day pass cost us how much, honey, for the day pass?
50k. This one, so
Yeah.
150k. So what it is included actually 100. We paid 150k per pax. So it means 200.
Yes,
300.
300, but we have a 250
For the food and credit, and also we have a like a canoeing, free canoeing later
over
on.
here. I will
And
do
then
for sure.
bicycle.
You
all
bicycle me?
time. I can use all the time that I want. And also I just want to show you the food menu.
Oh, this is only
They have
dessert
a-
menu.
Yeah, the dessert menu also very nice. Like they have a 55 include free coffee and tea. Look at the cake, looks so yum. Maybe later after lunch we can have a sweet cake.
Yes.
Coffee.
Of course, this is
And
not
then
any
also
kind
main
of paid
course.
endorsements,
Yes.
so please don't take it wrong. We paid for it. This is the invoice.
Yeah.
I know some people sometimes thinking as we
No,
got
this is not paid
sponsored,
endorsement.
but
Actually,
no, we not
paid.
for
And then
everything
the
we
menu.
pay.
So cool, so nice. They have a very nice. So Damian, as normal, we will order this one.
Very nice caprio, so
And
something.
then what I will order, mie goreng. Local tummy, no eating nasi, no mee or noodle, no eating.
Yeah. Okay, Kani,
Okay.
wait
All
for
right.
the food. I will show
Yes.
little bit of the hotel, yeah?
And then I will get changed. I really want to swim because it's very hot, sunny today.
Yeah. So that's how it look. I will show you a little bit of the hotel. I mean, you already saw the hotel, the gardens. Now is the pool situation is very beautiful. I will jump to the pool today. Lazy day, have to chill a little bit also sometimes. In the past few days, Minnie and some of you said as I look very tired. I feel okay, but maybe I'm tired. So it's good time to chill a little bit, definitely. Check this out over here. So the pool, beautiful like always. I like this hotel because it's very Balinese style, you know what I mean? It's not really modern, it's actually quite old hotel, but very Balinese style. It's so beautiful over here, by the way. Not so many people, I think, like everywhere nowadays, not so many people. However, very good vibe. Alright, our food arrived. Pizza for me, of course, cola, and Sayang have mee goreng.
Oh my god, this is a very big portion.
That's very nice.
This is a double portion.
Smacznego, honey.
Worth it, very worth. You should try this.
Very nice. So after lunch, and Winnie, whenever she feel the vibe, she will dance.
Whenever I hear the music, I can't stop dancing.
Can't wait for the parties, what's gonna be normal. The pool situation looks like this, very nice. Water is very warm. This is the beautiful fountain, elephant one. Some people, but not so many. Yes, honey?
So I feel like
Yeah, here's supposed to be a bar. Unfortunately, seems to be closed. However, beautiful. And what are you doing?
I really like the music.
Music's so good. Be careful, here is like a something like going down. Oh. Check this out. Have you ever seen Mrs. Monkey like this before? Comment below. So good. Tropical vibes. Good for chilling.
Right, it's canoeing time. Before the water is very low tide. Let's go.
Paddling time.
You are in the front, okay? I will be at the back.
Are you sure?
Yes. So, like I told you, for 150k package, you included this one.
Nice, very nice.
Very nice. I love it.
This is the speedboat of the hotel.
Oh my god, the sea breeze so fresh. So they also have a gazebo by the beach. Wow. So actually that you can also chill by the beach, sitting in the gazebo. Look. So cool. Amazing.
Floating gazebo like this.
So this is the floating gazebo. This one is the floating gazebo. So cool. All right, so that's the fisherman. Woo, halo. Banyak dapat ikan? Dikit. It's okay, good luck.
My Sayang driving bicycle. So nice, peaceful in Sanur. Very nice. Sound of the birds. There's the temple.
Alright, so now I'll ride my bicycle. Actually, I ride my bicycle just the warungs next to the Purisantrian. Oh my god, so quiet. Sorry that maybe you see on the picture it's just like shaky little bit because I put it on the, you know, the camera on the, what is it, on the basket. So yeah, Yeah, riding my bike. Oops. Ta-da. So yeah, this is the like path of Sanur. Okay. Now I will just go back. Yeah. Yo, what's up, Dogo? All right. Oh, riding a bike. Yeah, so it's beautiful afternoon in Sanur. Warung is closed, and then we will back to Purisantrian again. Alright. I think that's all our video today, guys. We really recharged, feeling really good, really re-energized. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching, and that's all. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys.
Bye.
See ya. Take care.